In today's groundbreaking news, Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy S24 series, but an astonishing development has emerged just before this event. For the first time in over a decade, Apple has outperformed Samsung in the global smartphone market. The latest statistics reveal that Apple has taken the lead in worldwide smartphone shipments for 2023, surpassing not only Samsung, but also Xiaomi and other brands. This achievement marks Apple's highest market growth record to date, with their market share increasing from 18.8% to 20.1%. On the other hand, Samsung experienced a decline, dropping from 21.7% to 19.4%, which means Samsung is no longer the top brand for global smartphone shipments. However, Samsung might change its fortunes with the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. This shift in market dynamics is generating a lot of discussions, especially considering the timing of the report just a day before Samsung's Unpacked event. Now, turning to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there have been some last-minute leaks. Although the unboxing video of the S24 Ultra was removed by Samsung, it revealed that the new box design slightly differs from the S23 Ultra, featuring a shadow behind the phone image. The overall unboxing experience remains similar to the previous model. There's also exciting news regarding the S24 Ultra's camera capabilities. Contrary to some beliefs, the zoom feature on the S24 Ultra is not a downgrade but an upgrade. The new model promises clearer images in low-light conditions, a significant improvement over the S23 Ultra. Additionally, the performance of the S24 Ultra is something to look forward to. Reports suggest that Samsung has significantly improved the efficiency of animations and overall performance on One UI 6.1, making the S24 Ultra potentially the smoothest Samsung flagship to date. Lastly, Samsung has announced a range of enticing pre-order gifts for the Galaxy S24 series. Customers who pre-order will receive a free storage upgrade. For example, those who order the 256GB model will receive the 512GB model. Along with this, Samsung is offering excellent trade-in options, a guaranteed minimum bonus on old smartphones or tablets, free Samsung Care, and likely free Galaxy Buds, although these offers may vary by market. As we process this news, it's clear that Apple has set a new benchmark in 2023, claiming the top spot in global smartphone performance for the first time. Samsung, however, may rebound with the introduction of the S24 series. Stay tuned for full coverage of these developments, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. With all this said, I'm looking forward to bringing you the latest updates in the next video. Peace out.
Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 gigabytes of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5,000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.